channel. Don't forget to like,
comment, share,
and subscribe.
Let's get into this video!
Hi guys, it's BGH Warriors. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. So today guys, I will be doing a tie-dye shirt and the design is Bullseye. The colors I'll be using is tulip red, instant black, and ocean blue. And the brand is Dye. So you're going to use your index finger and your thumb to pinch in the middle. Then you're going to put it on your table. You're going to use elastic bands, and then you're going to put little bits of spaces in there. And make sure it's tight. You're going to continue with the rest. Now you're finished. For the fun part, you're going to be using the dyes. The dye is, this is a red, this is blue, and this is black. Now guys, you're going to be using a little bit of dye so it don't mess up your area. See purple here, but it's blue on the package. But anyways, let's continue. Now guys, I'm finished. This is the final product. So guys, the colors came out pretty good. Now I'm going to make it sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back.
Hi guys, so today I will be making a spiral tie-dye. So I will be needing some elastic bands, some gloves, and tie-dye. The name of the brand of my tie-dye is called Dillon, and I'll be using 3 colors so because it's a spiral. You can use any colors you want, but for today I'll be just using 3 colors. The 3 colors I'll be using is ocean blue, which is this one, intense black, which is this one, and tulip red, which is this one. So since I want the colors to be bright, I'll be using a white plain shirt. I'll be putting these on after I have put this into a spiral and use my elastic bands to secure it. So let's put that aside for now. And first what you want to do is pinch the middle and twirl it. Wrap around the shirt. To fully secure it, I will put my hand on it, gently lift it up, and put the elastic out, the elastic band out. Then for the other part, I will be doing the same strategy. What it should look like, And make sure you double the elastic so that it is fully secured and tightly wrapped around it. So I will be putting on my gloves now because I'm going to put on the dye on the shirt. Okay, so now I will put the dye on the shirt. So first I will start out with blue. Guys, it seems to be purple, but even though it says blue on the packaging, it is purple. But we're going to still continue. One side is finished. So now I'm going to be using the red. One side is finished, the next side is finished, so I'll be using the black. Okay, so it's all finished, but I want this part to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to put more purple. Okay, it is all finished. I will let it sit for 15 minutes and then I will be right back.
Hi guys, it's BGH Warriors. Welcome back to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. So today I'll be doing a tie and dye. So I'll be using a white t-shirt, dyes, and the brand name of the dye is Dye. I'll be using yellow, which is the sunflower, and I'll be using the red, which is the tube. So the name of my design that I'll be doing is Crumble. So first you want to crumble your t-shirt. Then you can add your red and your yellow. So first I'll be adding the red. Just do a little spot so you don't have the t-shirt run. Then I'll be adding my yellow to the t-shirt. You can also pour your yellow on the red to make a mixed color. So I'll be doing that. So guys, I have covered my entire t-shirt. I left out some of the white spots so you can have a little white in here. So I'll let this sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back.
So guys, so this is our end results. What we did, we rinsed it in cold water and then we rinsed it in hot water. Hope you guys like it. Bye!
So guys, the design that I did before, which is the crumble, it didn't come out as I planned. So I ended up using another t-shirt with a different texture, and the design that I use is a spiral design, and here is our key.